It's me, Markia, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these beautiful, thick, and bold brows with Candy Brow Bar Tint. Yes, if you struggle with thin or sparse brows, this video will help you a lot. It's affordable and yeah, it's quick and it's easy. You can do this as many times as you want. You can do it every day if you wanted to, because you know you want to wash your face every day. You can wash around your brows so that it doesn't, you know, fade so quickly, or you can wash your brows and it will fade in a couple of days, but it can last up to 2 weeks depending on how harsh and rough you are with, you know, washing your face and your brows, etc., whatever. Anyway, if you want to learn how I achieve this beautiful look, this is the video for you. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's go and get into it. I'm going to be using the Candy Brow Bar Tint. Now, I'm going to be using the colors brown and black. As you can see, I have been using this a lot. However, if you are of a darker complexion, if you have dark hair, I recommend using black. You can use brown, but black can be a little harsh, so sometimes they mix the brown and black. Sometimes when I mix the brown and black, it still looks a little too brown to me, so I would do more black. But today I'm going to be mixing the two with a little bit more of black.
So you don't need much product for this mixture. You're only doing your two brows and you can really waste a lot if you put too much in here. But you're going to go ahead and mix these products together so you get a really creamy consistency. Fun fact about the Candy Brow Bar Tint is that they actually have castor oil infused into the tint. So you're also promoting hair growth while you're dyeing your brows.